retirement is also called reconstitution of partnership firm. Means if four partners are there, one wants to retire, he can retire any time from the firm by giving a prior notice. He will serve a notice, and after giving notice, if consent of all the partners is there, if consent is there or not, he can retire. If he is not finding himself fit for the partnership, he can retire anytime. This is called reconstitution of partnership. When a partner retires, the old partnership will come to an end and new partnership between ABC will be started. This is called reconstitution, reconstruction also. Means one partner will retire, the old partnership contract will be finished and new partnership contract between ABC will be started. This is called reconstitution. This is a part of reconstitution. And the chapter is retirement. First of all, the first topic in this chapter is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. Earlier your ratio was different. If you were divided in equal ratio, suppose 1, 1, 1 and 1. 1 by 4 was the share of every partner. If he retires, now the share will become 1/3. The ratio will be changed. So there are few methods to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. And among them, first is, if new partnership ratio of remaining partners are not given in the question, suppose three partners are there, X, Y and Z, and their old ratio was 3:1. Now, if X retires, what will be the new ratio of Y and Z? And what will be the gaining ratio also? What is the gaining ratio? When one partner will retire, will leave the firm, the remaining partner will gain something instead of sacrifice. In admission chapter, we have done that they have sacrificed something for new partner. But when a partner is leaving the firm, the remaining partners will gain something. So, if X retires, new ratio and gaining ratio, both we will calculate. So what will be the ratio of Y and Z in future? If nothing is given in the question, if new profit sharing ratio of remaining partners are not given in the question, then what we can do? We will just hide X. Means he have gone. The remaining share will be 2:1. New ratio and gaining ratio will be 2:1. Clear बच्चे? 2:1 will be the new ratio and 2:1 will be the gaining ratio. But if Y retires, then new ratio and gaining ratio. Same question, if nothing is given in the question, then ratio between X and Z will be 3:1, new as well as gaining. Is it clear, bache? If nothing is given, just hide the retiring partner. If nothing is given in the question, just hide the retiring partner. If Z retires, the new ratio and gaining ratio. If Z retires and nothing is given in the question, the new ratio will be 3:2. X and Y's new ratio and gaining ratio will be similar. Got my point? This was the first method. If new ratio and regarding new ratio nothing is given in the question, then you just have to hide the retiring partner. The remaining will be the new ratio and gaining ratio of remaining partners. If Y retires, then the ratio will become 3:1. If Z retires, the ratio will become 3:2. Is it clear, everyone? Now come to second illustration. Illustration number 2. Again, bache, A, B, C, three partners are there and they are having ratio 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. But whenever the LCMs are different, first of all, you have to take the equal LCM. One LCM should be there for everyone. For all the ratios, one LCM should be there. The ratio will become 3:1. The LCM of every person should be equal. Means same LCM you have to take. Now the ratio becomes 3:1. The ratio of A, B and C is 3:1, the old ratio. Find out the new ratio if B retires. If B retires. New ratio and gaining ratio you have to calculate. If B retire, who will be remaining? A and C, and their new ratio will be 3:1 and gaining ratio will be 3:1. Same method was this, but the only difference is this, that the LCM was different. Now we have taken the LCM. First of all, we have to take the LCM, then we have to do accordingly. B part of this question is also there. P, Q, R are partners with ratio 1/2, 2/5, 1/10. Find new ratio if P retires. Again, bache, first of all, we have to take the LCM. First of all, we will take the LCM 10, 5, 4, and 1. The ratio becomes 5, 4, 1. A, B, and P, Q, and R. If P retires, in question, it is asked that if P retires, then new ratio and gaining ratio of both the partners Q and R, what will be? 4:1. Got my point, bache? If the LCM is different, first of all you have to take the equal LCM. Then you just have to hide the retiring partner. Now next method, bache. Third illustration. A, B, C, three partners are there. A, B, C. 5, 4, 3 is the ratio. Now they told that B retires. Whenever a person retires, just circle him up. B retired and his share was divided equally between A and B, A and C. It is stated in question now. In previous question, bache, nothing was stated that who have taken the retiring partner's share. Nothing was stated. That's why we have just took the method of hiding the retiring partner. Now it is stated that the retiring partner share is divided among A and C equally. What we will do now? A's gain 4/12. 4/12. Half of 4/12 will be 4/24. C's gain half of 4/12. Half of 4/12 will be 4/24. Now it will be added in the share of A. A's new share. Old was 5/12 plus 4/24. Similarly, C's new share, old plus gain, 3/12 plus 4/24. Take the LCM 24, 10 plus 4, 14/24. LCM 24, 6 plus 4, 10/24. The new ratio will be 14:10. At the end, you can divide them. Now you will write like 7:5. Don't divide in between. It was divisible, but don't divide. Divide it in the end. If it is stated that they have taken from someone some share, then you can easily solve it out. There is no need to hide anybody. Then now what will you do? 4/12 was the share and half is given to A and half is given to C. 4/12 half means 4/24 and half of 4/12 is 4/24. It will be added to A's share and this gain of C will be added to C's gain old share. C's old plus C's gain will be the new share. Any doubt, bache? The gaining ratio will always be 4:4 means equal. It is given that they have divided in this ratio. They have gained in this ratio. So gaining ratio will be 1:1. New ratio is 7:5. Any doubt, bache?